Hello guys, welcome to another episode. On today's episode we are going to be making the letter Y for yellow. Please stay tuned and we hope you learn something by the end of the video. Thank you. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So for us to make the letter Y, we'll require the following. We'll require 0.30 millimeters fishing line. We'll require a nail cutter to cut the fishing line. We'll also require beads. For us, we'll use the white and red beads for today. So now we start. We've cut our fishing line to approximately 10 inches length. Then you pick a red bead on the right side. You pick 3 red beads on the right side and 1 red bead on the left side, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left side like that. For those of us who are new here, crisscrossing is passing the fishing line through the other one, and you should have something that looks like this. That small star you see there, that's what you're supposed to have. So we proceed. Continue. Pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you pick a final red bead on the left and crisscross like that. Kindly make sure that you're with us through all the steps that we are making so that you don't get lost. Remember, we are making the thick letter Y for yellow. So we're proceeding. You just continue. Pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you add a final third red bead, and then you crisscross. We are trying to make the length first. The length will be of 5 heads. That's the standard length that we use for our letters. For those of us who are new here, you can also kindly check. We have lots and lots of videos on our playlists. Go to our playlists. Please don't forget to subscribe. You check on our playlist, you'll see more videos. Now we have made a corner and we have put 1 white bead. I hope that is clear. Like that. Then we pick a red bead on the left, like that. Then another red bead on the left, like that. Then we pick a white bead on the right, like that. Then we crisscross on the white bead as you've been shown. I hope that is clear, as you can see on the screen. So we proceed. You pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the left, a white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Then the fishing line on the left, you pass it through the red bead like that. Hope you can see that. So slowly we are making the letter Y. You pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. like that. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead from the right, a red bead from the left. Then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Remember, if this is your first time trying out beadwork and you're finding it difficult, kindly go to our previous videos. We have more videos that are much slower and meant for beginners, so you can check them out and you'll learn slowly. Continue. You pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead on the right. For this time we are making another corner. I hope you can kindly let us see. Yeah, that's the progress so far. I hope you can see that. Pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, a white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Remember, we are making a corner, and also we are continuing to form the base of the Y, of the letter Y. This is the thick letter Y. So continue, pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, then you crisscross on the white bead from the left like that. Then you pull, then you continue, pass the fishing line through the next red bead. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Thank you everyone who has been sending their requests, all your comments, all the supportive comments that you've been giving us. Thank you, and keep them coming, for that is what gives us strength to continue to make these videos. And also thank you for helping us get to 900 subscribers so far. Kindly help us reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And thank you so much for all the support that you've been giving us. As you can see, we have proceeded. That's our progress so far. If you find the tutorial is quite fast, you can just slow it down at the settings so that you can see and watch it in slow motion. So now you pick a red bead on the left, 2 red beads on the left and 1 red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. Remember, we are making another corner there. Then you continue, you pass the fishing line through the red bead like that, and then you pick a red bead on the right. Supposed to pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, so that you crisscross on the white bead from the left like that. I hope you can all see that. Yeah, that's what we have so far. So you continue. You pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Like that. As you can see, the letter Y has already started forming. You can see it now clearly. Pass the fishing line like that. So we are almost done. Pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross from the white bead from the left like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the next white bead like that. then you pick a red bead on the right and a red bead on the left, then you crisscross on the red bead from the right like that. And then now we make another corner. You pick 2 red beads from the right and 1 red bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to our tutorials, to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We have noticed that most of you who watch our videos are not subscribed, so please go hit the subscribe button and help us reach our target of 1,000 subscribers, where we will release more tutorials and more videos more frequently. As you can see, we are almost there. You pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the next bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left like that. Yeah, as you can see, we are almost there. Just one more step. You pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's our letter Y. You can continue making it, so you can add another row of red beads so that it can give space to the next letter. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next tutorial.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.
Say what you wanna say.